The HiFi Duet is LR Bag's premier pickup system for steel string acoustic guitars. It combines the award-winning HiFi bridge plate transducers with the groundbreaking silo condenser microphone for a smooth, natural sound that requires little to no modifications to the instrument. The pickups and mic are mounted to the bridge plate directly under the saddle with a non-invasive double-sided adhesive tape. The system is powered by a single 9-volt battery, which is mounted in a Velcro battery bag on or near the neck block inside the guitar. The HiFi Duet gets around 160 hours of plugged-in playing time on a fresh battery. Plugging a mono unbalanced cable into the output jack in the tail of the guitar will turn the system on. Unplugging the cable will turn the system off, preserving the battery when the guitar is not being used. All of the HiFi Duet's controls are located on the inside edge of the sound hole. The volume control adjusts the overall output of the system. Turning the control towards the bridge will decrease the output. The mix control adjusts the blend between the HiFi pickups and the silo mic. Rolling the mix towards the bridge of the guitar will give you the HiFi pickups on their own. Moving the mix toward the neck will engage the multi-pole crossover and introduce more of the silo microphone into the signal. The mix also has a center detent so you can easily find the middle position of the control. In between the volume and mix controls is the battery check button that illuminates the tri-colored LED to indicate the battery level. Green indicates a good battery, yellow means that you have less than 8 hours of playing time left, and red indicates that the battery should be changed as soon as possible. Hidden on the underside of the preamp is a control to adjust the mic gain level. Turning the control toward the neck will give you more mic level and a brighter tone, while turning it towards the bridge will give you less mic and a darker tone. To use this adjustment, set the mix control all the way towards the neck, and then adjust the mic level control so that you get an even tonal balance between the bass, mid, and treble frequencies. This is intended to be a set-it-and-forget-it type of control, but it can be adjusted on the fly if needed. For any questions about the HiFi Duet or any other LR Bags products, please feel free to reach out to us directly at any time at lrbags.com/support.